Hello, this is Joe Rayborough. I recently received this lighting question from a homeowner. They said, we're seeking suggestions for our dining area lighting. We currently have an older type of track above the table, which you can see here in the picture of their existing dining space. The room dimensions are 13.5 feet by 12 feet with a 12-foot high ceiling. They go on to say that we're thinking about an S-shaped track and pendants with possibly a couple of spots on the track. Thank you for any help that you can give us. When I first read this request, I immediately recognized that this existing track was obviously not doing a very good job, and that they have actually made a wise decision in their idea about putting in what they're calling an S-shaped track. The existing track, since it's not doing an adequate job, will be very easy to remove. So once the existing track is removed, you can see that now the junction box where the electrical service is provided will be very visible and very clearly accessible. Following the homeowner's own suggestion for a new and flexible track system, the next step would be that we can mount a surface mounted transformer, in this case 300 watts of capacity, which can be attached to the existing junction box, and then this will provide the power for the new low voltage monorail track system. The idea of an S-shaped track, as mentioned by the homeowner, is more technically in the world of lighting called a monorail track system. These track systems are attached to the transformer, and then the track is suspended, as you can see in this image, a few inches from the ceiling. One of the great benefits of these systems is that they are bendable in the field so that they can be adjusted to meet whatever your own particular needs might be. Once we've installed the track and we've shaped it to the desired shape to meet their needs, we can now attach three pendants approximately 30 inches above the table, hanging from the track, which will provide great illumination at the surface of the table. The next thing is that we can add a spot, a 50-watt spot, to add to the lighting of the artwork above the buffet. And as we can see from the final installation, it's a much more functional system which will add a much more dynamic look to the space. In this case, we've ended up with three 50-watt pendants, one 50-watt spot, for a total of 200 watts total, which certainly meets the requirements of our 300-watt transformer. Thank you for joining us. This is Joe Rayborough for Lighting Design Ideas, brought to you by Lighting Knowledge Online.